Hi students, this is a warm-up, and this is the warm-up that'll get the fourth and third fingers working most of the time. Let me show you the scale, what the pattern is. It's 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. That's one time, and we have been doing this twice on each string. I'm going to suggest that at a slow tempo that we play it over and over, and then start to move up the fretboard, and then play it on the second fret as 1, and then go across the strings and move it up again, so that you have a very sufficient workout, making your fourth finger stronger each time. Here's the tempo. 2, ready, with me. Now, instead of going back the same way, I suggest we slide up with the first fingers on the second fret, technically second position, and do it from here. And then we'll go back down the strings, and then once we reach here, we'll slide down to the third fret. Let's try that. 1, 2, together, warm up. One more time. And of course, you can always work on getting the speed increased. I turned the dial on the metronome, and I could have on the fourth fret, and did it in half the time. just like that. And it can almost become meditative. You can almost enter the zone, and it will become effortless, no pain. And each time you do it, your fingers are going to get a bit stronger. Good luck with this.